How to download any apps on your laptop. This video will guide you through the processes on how to download any apps on your laptop, most especially some of the apps you use on your mobile device. So open any browser of your choice. So I will open this browser. Now here click or search for Play Store. Now come to this Play Store and click on it. Once you click on it, it may require you to sign in if you have not signed in before. So if it does happen, try to sign in on your device. You can see that I have signed into this Play Store using my email address. So I want to locate any of these apps that I want to install. You can have it here as Windows, laptop, and others like that. So let me try and install any of these apps. And let's click on this button. Once you click on this particular button, it tells that to install on Windows. Let's try and install this on Windows. If it's going to be installed on our Windows device and see that is downloading. You can see downloading button here is downloading, so let's wait for it to download. So that has been downloaded. Let's open this. Now that I've opened this, you have it here, install word search. Let's click and uninstall it. Then let's run as administrative. Click on install, click on yes. So this is one of the way to install any app on your device. Now, the second way to install any app on your device is to come to this search button, click on it, then search for Microsoft Store. Then this particular button is built for Microsoft devices. Click on it. So once you click on the Microsoft Store, it opens like this. If you have not subscribed or if you have not signed in, make sure you sign in and have access to your login details into this place. Now here you have a lot of apps you can install. You have Shopify, you have ChatGPT, you have so many apps you can install here. So here, type in the name of apps you want to install here. Spotify. Now here is what I need. Click on this button. Then it brings to Spotify. You can see it here, guys. Then you can as well have other important similar apps and more detail about this app you want to get on your device. You have access to the review and other important information about these apps. Then click on this get button. Once you click on the get button, just wait for it. In the case of Microsoft Store, this app is going to download on its own and install the app automatically on your device on its own. Unlike this one that will download from Brave browser that is still installing. So after about 2 to 3 minutes of waiting for downloading, this game has been installed on our device. This is Google Play game. This has been installed. Then this one has also been installed. This Spotify. So let's come to this place and search for Spotify. So let's open this app on our device. So you can see you can now sign in and start using Spotify. That is what we downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Then let's see and use that of the Google Play. Let's open it. So once you click on it, it comes out like this. Then you have to sign in to your Google account before you can use this on your device. So it is always advisable, guys, to download any app on your Windows computer using this option, Microsoft Store. So that's all, guys, on how to download any apps on your computer using Microsoft Store. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and we need your comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.